Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. This is your maths lecture. Today we are going to do maths unit number 3 decimal of your maths wise. Exercise 3A. Express the following fractions as decimals. Part A 2/5, Part B -1/3/10, Part C -2/7/20. Solution: as decimal fractions has power of 10 in denominator, so we convert denominators in power of 10. 2/5. 2/5 equal 2 multiplied by 2. Multiply by 2 on both sides. 2 multiplied by 2 equal 4. 5 multiplied by 2 equal 10. 4/10. 4 divided by 10 equal to 0.4. 0.4. Part B -1/3/10. 10 ones are 10. 10 ones are 10 plus 3. 10 ones are 10 plus 3, 13. -1 multiplied by 10, -1 tens are -10, -3 multiplied by -13. -13 divided by 10. Divided by 10, -1.3 is your answer. Part C -2/7/20 equal -2/7 multiplied by 5, 20 multiplied by 5. Multiply by 5 on both sides. Let the 5 multiply by 5 on both sides. 7 5s are 35, 25s are 100, 25s are 100. 35 divide 100, 0.35. 0.35 multiply by 2. So your answer -2.35. Part D 11/3/4 equal 11/3 multiplied by 25, 4 multiplied by 25. 25 boss multiply side on 25. 3 multiplied by 25. 25 3 the 75. 25 4 the 100. 11/75/100 equal 75 divided 100, 0.75. 0.75. 0.75 multiplied by 11 equal 11.75. 11.75. Part E 46/50 equal 46 multiplied by 2, 50 multiplied by 2. 46 2 the 92, 50 multiplied by 2, 52 the 100. 92/100. 92 divided by 100 equal 0.92. 0.92. Question number 2. Convert the following decimal to rational numbers. 0.004. Part B -5.04. Part C -75.14. Part D 0.007. E part 43.22 and 2. Part A 0.004 equal 4/पॉइंट की जगह पे 1 आ जाएगा. जितने डिजिट होंगे उतने 0 आ जाएंगे. 1 2 3 3 0 आ गए. 4/1000. 4/1000. 2 2 the 4, 2 5s are 10, 00. 2/500. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry 10, 2 5s are 10, 0. 250. 1/250 equal 1/250. Part B -5.04 equal -504/100. पॉइंट खत्म करेंगे. पॉइंट की जगह 1 आ जाएगा. जितने डिजिट होंगे उतनी 0 आ जाएंगी. 504 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. divided by 100. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 1 carry 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 to the 4, 2 5 are 10, 0. 252 divided by 50. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, carry 2 6s are 12, and 2 25s are 50 equal minus 126 over 25. Part C, minus 75.14 इक्वल पॉइंट खत्म करेंगे 7514 डिवाइड बाय 100. 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 0. Cancel. 3757 divided by 50. 3757 divided by 50. Point part D, 0.007 equal 7 over 1000. पॉइंट खत्म करेंगे तो 1 2 3 डिजिट 1 2 3 पॉइंट की जगह पे 1 आ जाएगा, जितने डिजिट होंगे उतने 0 प्लेस हो जाएंगे. Convert the following decimal to rational number. Convert decimal places into rational numbers. Part E, 43.22 and 2. 43,222 divided by 1000. 2 5s are 10, 00. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2, and 21,611 over 500 over 500. Question number 3. Question number 3. Classify the rational number below as terminating, non-terminating and recurring decimal giving reasons. 3/7. 3/7 it is non-terminating. 3/7, 7 divided by 30. 3.0, 7 4s are 28, 2 carry 0.0, 7 2s are 14, 10 subtract 20 subtract 14 equal 6. पॉइंट पहले से मेंशन है तो 0 ऐड करेंगे. 7 7 8s are 56, 7 8s are 56. 60 divide 56 equal 4, 0 carry down, and 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35 equal 40 divide 35 equal left over 5. To carry down 0, 50. 7 7s are 49. 50 minus 50 subtract 49, 1 1 and 0 carry down. 7 1s are 7. 10 minus 7 equal 3. 0 carry down. 7 4s are 28. It is non-terminating. It is non-terminating recurring decimal fractions because a group of digits repeat itself again and again. 4 and 4 again and again. Part B. Part B, minus 2 by 3 over 4, minus 2 by 3 over 4. 4 to the 8, 8 and 3 11, minus 11 over 4, minus 11 over 4, 11 divided by 4. 4 to the 8, 11 subtract 8 equal 3.0 carry down. 4 7s are 28, 20, 4 5s are 20. It is a terminating decimal fraction because number of digits are decimal is finite. Part C, 7 over 10. 7 over 10 solution. 7 over 10 equal 0.7. 0.7. 7 divided by 10. 10 0.10 7s are 70. It is terminating decimal fraction because number of digits after decimal point is finite. Part E, 34 minus 34 over 3 solution. Minus 34 over 3 equal minus 11 over 33. 34, 3 ones are 3, 1 carry, 3 ones are 3, 4, subtract 3, 1 carry, 0.0, 3 3s are 9, 10, subtract 9 equal 1, 0 carry down, and 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 equal 1. It is a non-terminating recurring decimal fractions because after the decimal point a number 3 is repeating again and again. Part F. 34 over 50. 34 over 50 equal 0.68. 34 over 50, 0. 34 is less than 2, 50. 0.345, 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30, 560 are 300, 560 are 0 आएगा, 300 equal 40, 5 6 are 30, 4 and 0, 40 equal 0.05, 58 are 400, 58 are 400, 0.68. It is terminating decimal fraction because number of digits after decimal point is finite. Part G, 1 over 6. Solution: 1 over 6 equal 1, 0.10, 6 ones are 6 and 4 carry, 0.166 and carry on. It is non-terminating recurring decimal fractions because after the decimal point number 6 is repeating again and again. 4 over 9, 4 over 9, 4 over 9, 0.4040, 9 4 the 36, 40 subtract 36 equal 4, point given है and 0 carry down, 9 4 the 36 and 4. It is non-terminating decimal fraction because after decimal point number 4 is repeating again and again. Part E, 22 over 7. 22 over 7, 22, 7 3 the 21, 2 subtract 1 equal 1, point 0, 10, 7 1 the 7, 10 subtract 7 equal 3 and 0 carry down, 30, 7 4 the 28, 7 4 the 28, 30 subtract 28 equal 2, point is given and 0 carry down, 20, 7 2 the 14, 20 subtract 14 equal 6 and 0 carry down, 7 8 are 56, 60 minus 56 equal 40 and 0 carry down, 40, 7 5s are 35, 40 minus 35 equal 5, point given and 0 carry down, 50, 7 7s are 49, 50 minus 49, 1, point given and 0 carry down. So it is non-terminating recurring decimal fraction because after decimal point a group of digit is repeating again and again. Part J, minus 7 over 11 equal minus 0.6363 and so on. 7 over 11, 7, 11, 0 point is given and put the value of 0. 11 6 are 66, 70 subtract 66 equal 4 and 0 carry down, 40, 11 3 the 33, 40 minus 33 equal 7 and 0 carry down, 11 6 are 66, 70 subtract 66 equal 4 and 0 carry down, 40, 11 3 the 33. It is non-terminating decimal fraction because after decimal point 63 repeat itself again and again. Exercise 3b. Exercise 3b, round off the following number to decimal places 2.008 2.008 008 80 and 01 2.01 पॉइंट को राउंड ऑफ करेंगे तो हमारे पास ये वैल्यू आ जाएगी 2.001 इक्वल 2.01 2.01 14.2794 14.2794 7 is greater than to 5 and 9 is greater than to 7 9 को स्किप करेंगे एंड 8 की 7 की प्लेस 7 की जगह पर हम 8 जो है मेंशन करेंगे तो 14.2894 14.2794 था 94 स्किप करके 9 की प्लेस पे 7 में 1 डिजिट प्लस करेंगे ऐड करेंगे तो 14.28 पार्ट सी 0.071325 0.071325 इक्वल टू 0.07 एज 1 लेस देन 5 तो 0.07 is your answer. 46.4646 and 46 46.4646 and 46 equal to 46.46 as 4 less than to 5 तो आंसर 46.46 राउंड अबाउट किया राउंड ऑफ किया तो ये हमारा आंसर है 5.5 इक्वल 5.5 0 less than to 5 part F 17.379432 equal to 17.38 and 9 greater than 5 so 1 carry to 7 equal 8 17.38 part G part A part I and part J is same the other of A B C and D okay but part I 273.112 273.112 equal to 73.11 2 less than 5 0.099 equal 0.10 as 9 greater than 5 so 0.10 or 0.10 round off the following numbers as indicated by H 3.27316 2 decimal places 3.27 3 is less than to 5 part B 9.87827 1 decimal places 9.82 2 less than to 5 so 9.8 46.4939 3 decimal places 46.4939 9 is greater than 5 so 46.494 4.1347 1 decimal places 4.133 less than to 5 so 4.1 11.11234 3 decimal places 11.11234 3 less than to 5 so 11.112 97.09 1 decimal places 97.09 9 greater than to 5 equal so 97.1 0.00849 2 decimal places 0.00084 0.01 8 is greater than to 5 so आंसर 0.01 8 स्किप करेंगे तो 8 की जगह पर यहाँ पर 0 पर 1 आ जाएगा 24.4245 3 decimal places 24.7245 24.5 equal to 5 24.7245 and 24.42425. 2 point tetra 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. One decimal places 2.999 is greater than to 5 equal 9, 9. Skip करेंगे 1 carry 10, 10 0 and 1 carry 3, 3.0. So answer is 3.0. Part J, 2.775762, 4 decimal places 2.775762 equal to 6 is greater than to 5. So is your answer 2.7758. Simplify the following and give your answer correct to 3 decimal places. 1.3 over 2 plus 7.4 over 2 whole square. 1.3 over 2 plus 7.4. 1.3 plus 7.4. 7 and 1 8. 3 plus 4 7. 8.7 over 2 square. 4.3. 8.7 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. 4.35 whole square equal 4.35 multiply by 4.35. 4.35 multiply by 4.35 equal 18.9225. 9225. 3 decimal places है 9223. 5 है 5 स्किप करेंगे तो 5 में 1 जो है वो ऐड कर देंगे 2 में 18.923. Part B, 63.9.6 0.02 plus 0.8. 63.9.6 ये पूरी रफ वर्किंग जो है वो साथ हुई हुई. 63.9.6 0.02 प्लस 0.8 या 0.8. 53.4. 63 minus 9.6 equal 53.5. 0.8 plus 0.02 equal 3.82. 3.82 multiply by 100 over 10. पॉइंट खत्म करेंगे तो 100 over 10. 10 10s are 100. 5340 divided by 82. 65.1219 equals 65.122. 65.122. 65.1219. 65.122. 9 is greater than 2. 9 is greater than to 5. Part C, 436.9 divided by 2.56 plus 3.208. 3.208. 436.29 divided by 5.768. 5768 divided by 6,290. 4,36,290. जब हम इसका पॉइंट जो है वो ख़त्म कर देंगे मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 ओवर 100. 10 10s are 100 10s are 1000. 100 10s are 1000. 4,36,290 divided by 5,768. So is your answer 75.6397. Round off 75.640. 640. And part D. Part D is 4.6 whole square minus 2 0.3 plus 3 plus 2.9. Solution 4.6 whole square minus 2 1.3 plus 2.9. 1.3 plus 2.9. 1.3 plus 2.9. 4.2. 4.6 square minus 2 into 4.2. 2 and 1 4 9 3 9 3 12 1 carry 3 and 1 4 4.2. 4.6 multiply by square है 4.6 square. 4.6 multiply by 4.6 minus 2 multiply by 4.2. 21.16. 4.6 multiplied by 4.6 equal 21.16 minus 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2 minus 8.1 minus 8.1. So is your answer 12.760. 21.16 subtract 8.1. 8.1 subtract from 21.16. So is your answer 12.760. Point E. 4.45 plus 9.2476 divided by 2.2 multiplied by 1.1. 4.45 plus 9.2476 divided by 2.2 multiplied by 1 by 1. 1 by 1. 13 point multiply 4.45 plus 9.9 and 4 13. 13.6976 divided by 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2.42. 6.8488 divided by 1.21 multiply by, जब पॉइंट खत्म करेंगे 100 over 10,000. 100 over 10,000. 684.88 divided by 121 multiply by 10, 121. 5.6601 equal 5.660. 121 divided by 684. 121 divided by 684. 121 5 is 605. So 605 is subtract from 684. So we get answer 798. 798. 684 604 79. 79 is point is given and 8. 79. 121 multiplied by 6, 726. 8 less 6 equal 2 and 9 less 2, 9 to 7, 72. 72. 728. 720 and 0.88. 728. 8 is 8 carry down. 728. 121 multiplied by 6, 726 equal 8 subtract 6 2, 2 subtract 2 0 and 7 subtract 2 0 and point is given and 0 0. 200. 121 is 121. Answer 5.6601. 5.6601 round of 5.660. 0 0 and 1. Last value is 1. 1 is less than 2. 5. So is your answer 5.660. Now we have completed our unit 3. Make sure the practice at your home. Thank you students. Stay at your home. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.